Azúcar! The sun is out and the music is on, so we are making Havana's answer to a hot afternoon, the Frozen Watermelon Mojito. Sweet frozen watermelon, white rum, fresh lime, and mint you wake with a slap, all blended into an instant slushie. 5 minutes, no cooking, pure Cuba in a glass. I am your host, and with me, our cantinero, our bartender, and our Havana cook. Dale, let us blend.
Gracias. The mojito is Cuban to the bone, born in Havana, sipped by writers and sailors for 100 years. The classic is white rum, lime, mint, sugar, and soda water. Today, we freeze it. We drop the soda, we add frozen watermelon, and we blend it into a slushie. Same soul, yerba buena, the mint, ron, the rum, limon, the lime. Just frozen for a Havana afternoon. Refrescante y con fuerza.
So, for 2 or 3 glasses, here is what you need. 4 cups of frozen watermelon cubes, seedless, frozen solid. Half a cup, 4 ounces of white rum. Leave it out for a virgin version, just as good. The juice of 2 limes, about a 1/4 cup. 2 tablespoons of sugar or simple syrup. 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, plus sprigs to garnish. And a little ice, only if you need it. 5 things and a blender. Eso es todo.
Plan ahead, mi amigo. Cut your watermelon into cubes and freeze them at least 4 hours. Overnight is best. Frozen watermelon is the whole trick. It makes a thick slushy without ice watering it down. Seedless is easier, and a ripe, sweet melon means you need less sugar. And chill your glasses in the freezer for 10 minutes. Everything cold. That is how the slushy keeps its body instead of melting to juice.
Now, the mint. And please do not skip this. It is the magic. Take your 10 to 12 leaves and slap them once, hard, between your 2 palms. Slap them. Do not tear them. That releases the perfume, the oil, without the bitter green. In Cuba, we say the mint must be woken, not beaten to death. Then drop the slapped leaves into the blender. Huele? Smell that? That right there is already a mojito.
Now into the blender. The 4 cups of frozen watermelon, the 4 ounces of white rum, the juice of 2 limes, the 2 tablespoons of sugar, and the slapped mint. Blend on high for 30 to 45 seconds until it is a smooth, bright pink slushy. If it is too thick to turn over, a small splash of water or a little more lime. If it is too thin, a handful more frozen watermelon. No big chunks of ice. Blend it smooth and pink.
Taste it before you pour. This is the moment. Sweet from the melon, sharp from the lime, cool from the mint, and warm from the rum. Adjust with a little more lime or sugar until it sings. Then pour it into those frosty cold glasses, bright pink and thick. Garnish like Havana, a fresh mint sprig, a wheel of lime, and a little triangle of watermelon on the rim. Serve it immediately. Ice cold, like a slushie. Salud!
A few secrets from the cantina. Serve it the second it is blended. A frozen mojito melts fast, so blend it right before your guests arrive. For a party, blend a big batch, keep it in the freezer, then pulse it again before serving. A tiny pinch of salt makes the watermelon taste even sweeter. And use a smooth white rum, not a harsh one. Make it for friends on a hot night with the music loud. Así se hace en La Habana.
So, 3 things to carry with you. 1. Freeze the watermelon cubes at least 4 hours and chill your glasses. Frozen fruit, not ice, is what makes it thick. 2. Slap the mint. Do not tear it to wake the oil without the bitterness. 3. Blend 4 cups of watermelon with 4 ounces of rum, 2 limes, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and the mint for 30 to 45 seconds and serve immediately, ice cold. 5 minutes to Havana. Gracias to our cantinero and our Havana cook. Now go and blend.